Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video on this channel. And today I am going to show you how you can change your profile picture without uploading it to your newsfeed. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Facebook profile and here on the top of your right screen, click those straight three lines. Go here and click your profile. Just click here. And here on the profile picture icon, you can see the camera option. Just click that option. And now to import any picture from gallery, select this one, select profile picture. And after selecting it, it will bring you to your gallery option. Just select any picture that you want to make your profile picture. I'm just selecting this one and adjust it as you like. And there are many options. But to make it your profile picture without posting it, just click this option, share your update to your newsfeed, and uncheck this off box. And all you have to do is just now click this save option, and it will take a few seconds from up to updating your profile picture. Just wait a bit. And now as you can see, my profile picture is changed, but it is not showing on my newsfeed. So in this way you can update your profile picture without posting it to your newsfeed. And this is the video. I hope this video helps you, and if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one.